Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create a simple Hibernate framework application. Just create a new Java project. Convert to Maven project. Now we need to add some dependencies. And then we want to use the transaction, so you can search TA. And now you want to use MySql. Just take one of them. You need to clean and build, so maybe you download the library and the dependencies. Okay, now we create some configuration file. Package. Yeah, I already prepared some content here. You can name whatever you want, but too easier to recognize, so we can name at a standard way hibernate.config.xml. Paste the content here. It's just kind of similar to JDBC. You can define the driver, the URL, username, and password, and then we define the mapping in this file. You also need to create it yourself. In this file, you can see. Okay, I'll explain this one. Okay. In this one, you need to show, okay, this one ID in the database, the column name should be ID, and this one auto-generated ID, auto-increment ID, I mean. And this one, the column is username underscore name, this one password. So I will generate some the database. Okay, now we need to create a DTO here. Alright, also prepare the DTO. This one is just a normal Java bean to define some property to store the data from the database. So the structure should be same as the database. is an object of user is ID, username and password, and getter and setter methods. Okay, now I will create the test code. Class. This one just test. Execute. So just copy the code over. Import some classes. Hibernate section. Import the DTO as well. And then in this file, if you remove this part, this means that the Hibernate configuration file should be located under source folder, but you always can point out explicitly. So here the code, just create the session factory and open the session, and then you start the transaction, and then you set the value for the object, and then you just use save, and then you commit, and then it's come to the database. Okay, now I try to run it. Oops. Okay, just check the Hibernate file. Oh, sorry, this one I just copy some actual data. Should be okay. Now I try to run again. Should be fine. Okay, now I check the database. You can see here, right? If I run it again, okay, it should be a different data. Now I try to check the null data and see. I come back to the mapping file, and then I just set it. This one blank, and then I try to run. This will show that the fields required, so no data is not allowed here. Okay, now just put some data back. Yeah, that's it. That is some basic about Hibernate framework. Thanks for watching.